Hey y'all, and welcome back to another episode of TZ Teaches. In this video, I want to talk about the difference between a solution and a project. Now, the Solution Explorer over on the right-hand side by default is going to show you the entirety of all of the files and code and links all contained inside a solution. So think of a solution file like a zip file or just like a 3-ring binder. Now that 3-ring binder can contain a lot of different things, but it's going to encompass all of the things that need to be grouped together. So a solution in this case would work for all of the code that I'm going to be doing for this course. Another solution might be all of the code contained in a video game or all of the code contained for a specific section of a specific company. The solution file itself, like I said, is just kind of a 3-ring binder that groups it all together. Now, each individual project is just a folder inside that 3-ring binder. And each project then can contain their own bits of code, their own links, their own images, all the way down the line. So think of the solution like a 3-ring binder and the individual projects as folders, and that should get you a pretty good understanding for how that relationship works. Now, because a solution is the 3-ring binder, you can actually add in new projects directly to the solution simply by selecting the solution and hitting Add New Project, which then you can then create and choose the project from the drop-down list and contain all of your code inside that solution. You also have the option of recreating a new solution every time you create a new project, and that is totally up to you and the requirements of whatever you are working on. So now that we've talked about the difference between a solution and a project, in the next video, I'm going to talk about the 3 different types of errors you are going to encounter while programming. I'm Sir Pinkbeard, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.